Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Honda Accord fog lights. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and a 10mm socket wrench. Safety is paramount, so make sure your vehicle is completely off and has cooled down before you begin. You'll find the fog light assembly located underneath the front bumper, typically on the lower side. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. Now let's get to the bulb. You'll need to remove a few plastic clips that hold the fender liner in place. A flathead screwdriver works well for prying these out gently. Once the clips are removed, carefully pull back the fender liner. This will give you enough space to access the back of the fog light assembly. Then, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it off. With the connector off, it's time to remove the old bulb. Gently twist the bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn, and it should pull straight out. Be careful not to touch the glass of the new bulb, as oils from your skin can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb, making sure the tabs align with the slots, then twist it clockwise to lock it securely into place. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to your new fog light bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Push the fender liner back into position and resecure all the plastic clips you removed earlier. Before you finish, turn on your vehicle and test the new fog light to confirm it's working correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. This simple process will have your fog lights shining bright again in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.